Hola, buenos días, clase. Vamos a cantar. Hola, buenos días. Hola, buenas tardes. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? Estoy muy bien, gracias. Adiós, buenas noches. Adiós, hasta mañana. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? Estoy muy bien, gracias. Muy bien. Very good. Ahora, now, let's count. We're going to be counting to 20, 0 hasta 20, 0 to 20. Again, you'll repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Muy bien. Segundo grado, second grade. Remember, we count from 20 to 40. So we're going to count together. And kindergarten, first grade, you can listen along or you can try it too. For 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, that's 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 28, it's 28, 28, 29, 30. Remember, 30 is 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, that's 37, 38, 39, 40, and that's 40. Remember, we talked about how we keep hearing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the ones place. And the tens place, the 30 and 40, that number changes. Muy bien. Vamos a decir los días de la semana. Let's say the days of the week. Starting with Monday, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves. Let's say that one again. Jueves. In Spanish, that J sounds like an H. Viernes. That's Friday. Sábado. Saturday. Domingo. Sunday. Muy bien. If I wanted to say today is, and let's say today is Monday, I would say, I'm just going to use this little sticky here. Hoy es lunes. Repite, hoy es lunes. That means today is Monday. If today is lunes, Monday, what would be the day before? If hoy es lunes, what day comes before Monday? If you thought Sunday, you're right. So Sunday actually is all the way down here. Repite, domingo. So to say yesterday was Sunday, vamos a decir, we're going to say, ayer fue domingo. Ayer fue domingo. Repite, ayer fue domingo. Muy bien. Hoy es lunes. Ayer fue domingo. What if I wanted to say, if hoy es lunes, today is Monday, what will tomorrow be? If today is Monday, hoy es lunes, what will tomorrow be? If you thought Tuesday, muy bien. Para decir, to say tomorrow will be Tuesday, we will say, mañana será martes. Mañana será martes. Repite, mañana será martes. Muy bien. Hoy es lunes. Ayer fue domingo. Mañana será martes. Muy bien. Very good. Let's look at the seasons, the estación. To say the season is, repite, la estación es. La estación es. Repite, la estación es. That means the season is. Vamos a decir, let's say the season we're in fall, or sometimes we say autumn. En español, otoño. Repite, otoño. To say the weather, el tiempo afuera, to say the weather outside, today it happens to be raining. So I'm just going to put this little tag up, and the Spanish phrase for it's raining, está lloviendo. Está lloviendo. Repite, está lloviendo. And it's also kind of cool outside. So I'm going to say, there are two ways to say this. You can say hace fresco or está fresco. Both mean it's cool. Hace fresco. Está fresco. Muy bien. La estación es otoño. Repite, la estación es otoño. Está lloviendo. Remember, está lloviendo means it's raining. Está fresco. It's cool out. Muy bien. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre los colores, los nombres de los colores en español. Today we're going to talk about the names of colors in Spanish. So let's look at the names of colors in Spanish. I'm actually going to show you my screen, and we are going to review the names of colors in Spanish. To say red, repite rojo. Rojo. Muy bien. For orange, anaranjado. Anaranjado. Inside the word anaranjado is a small word, naranja. Naranja is the orange that you peel and eat. And sometimes we also use that word naranja for the color orange. If you have Crayola crayons, crayones, or marcadores, markers, on Crayola crayons and markers, there are, and even the color pencils, the Spanish name for the colors and also the French name. So you will see sometimes naranja or anaranjado for orange. Amarillo. Repite, amarillo. Verde. Repite, verde. And verde is green, right? So if you notice, the color names in Spanish so far do not look very similar to the color names in English. And I'm going to go back and actually look at amarillo, anaranjado, and rojo. If you notice, all three of those colors end in O. Sometimes colors in Spanish that end in O will switch to an A if what they're describing ends in an A or is what we call feminine. In second grade, we learned a little bit about nouns in Spanish, and we're going to talk about that more as we get into objetos del salón, classroom objects. But just know that what we're describing, and we call that a noun, a person, place, or thing, when we're describing its color, and it ends in an A in Spanish, the color will flip from an O to an A if that color ends in an O. And I'll show you an example in a moment. So let me go back to amarillo. Repite, amarillo. Verde. Verde will stay the same. So if I said green house, we will say casa, which means house, verde. Did you notice I put the color after the word house? We do that in Spanish. The color in English comes before what we're describing. Green house. In Spanish, it comes after. So it's like we're saying house, green. Casa, verde. So where we put the color is different in Spanish. Azul, repite, azul. Morado, repite, morado. Marrón, café. Brown has many names in Spanish. We can say pardo, tostado, castaño. All of those words mean brown. I want you to know marrón, and sometimes you will see the word café. Café in Spanish means coffee, but we can also use it for the color brown. And when I was a little girl, I would say color de café, the color of coffee, meaning that would be the one name for brown. Rosado means pink, rosado. Sometimes, a veces you will hear rosa, rosa. Negro, negro. Gris, gris. Blanco, blanco. Dorado, dorado. Dorado means gold. Plateado, plateado. Plateado means silver. So those are the colors in Spanish. And like I said, we actually will put the color after the noun. So I want to use the example for the word eraser in Spanish. One of the words that you will learn for eraser is goma. Repite, goma. Goma rosada in English means pink eraser. Notice that rosado changed to rosada because goma ends in an A and is what we call a feminine noun. Goma rosada. That means pink eraser. So, when you want, if you're thinking, ¿cuál es mi color favorito? What is my favorite color? To answer that, to say my favorite color, mi color favorito es. My favorite color is. Mi color favorito es. to say that your favorite color, if I wanted to say my favorite color is red, and it is, mi color favorito es rojo. So what you're going to do for your assignment is, kindergarten, I want you to pick your color favorito, your favorite color. You can draw me a picture, you can paint, you can even bake something like a cupcake or something and show me your color favorito on the frosting. Whatever you want to do, show me, draw, or however you want to draw it or paint it at home, your favorite color. And if you can, write the name of your favorite color in Spanish underneath your picture. And I'll have all the color names in Spanish for you to choose from. So kindergarten and actually first grade, both of you are going to have the same assignment. Draw, paint, show me your favorite color. And you can also show me where you would find that color. So if I said my favorite color was rojo and I drew a red heart, that would show, oh, the heart is rojo. Or a blue sky, el cielo azul. So I love blue, I would draw a blue sky, okay? And the same thing, first grade, you're going to write the name of the color in Spanish underneath your drawing. So kindergarten, first grade, you can stop the video now and get right to work. Hasta luego. Second grade, you guys are going to do the same thing. You're going to draw a picture of where you would find your favorite color. If you did a red apple, a manzana roja, show me the red apple, okay? And you're going to write the name of the color, but you're also going to write a sentence underneath. The sentence is going to be, mi color favorito es, and then write the color name in Spanish. So underneath your picture, I want you to write the sentence in Spanish, mi color favorito es, and write the name of the color in Spanish. And again, you'll write that in the bottom of your picture, okay? If you decide, you know what, I want to bake something and show Senora Melendez what I made and have that color of it, you can even hold up a piece of paper having this written and show it next to what you made or next to your painting or next to your drawing. Same, you can do that as well as an option. Well, that's all I have for you. Hasta luego.